You're going to get to break some things. You're going to get to learn some things. And we want you to ask a lot of questions. We're going to show courage, and we're going to have fun today.
This is our expo area. It's an area where kids can explore on their own. We know that kids are unique and they're going to be drawn to different things. So we have a whole bunch of activities here. It's a ton of fun and the kids are having a blast.
This is my robot!
Dr. Curiosity has gone missing. Puzzle Lab is an escape room experience where students are on a mission sneaking into the lab. They solve a series of puzzles and activities to figure out exactly what she was working on.
This is the Research and Technology Center. The kids have a chance to get hands-on experience with microscopes that we have set up. We have a virtual reality session, as well as doing pig heart dissection. So really just trying to show how we do innovation here with Medtronic.
Is this your favorite part?
No. We are having so much fun.
Spark is out to propel 1 million kids into the medtech field.
Been able to inspire all these different children, all their curiosities. Reminded me a lot about myself when I came to this country as an immigrant. As a little kid and had a lot of dreams, and just seeing their curiosities across these different activities has been really rewarding.
That's the most exciting part, is to see their faces light up, the dots connect, and to make technology something that they feel comfortable around.
I would have loved to do this as a kid. I think this is a great experience for them. It's super fun to see them excited about things like this.